Have you ever wondered what makes someone irresistible? What makes them chase you rather than the other way around? The answer lies in a subtle blend of confidence, intrigue, and strategy. It's about creating an aura that draws people in, making them curious and eager to know more about you. In this video, we'll explore the 4 essential tips to make someone chase you. These tips are designed to help you build confidence, create intrigue, and develop a sense of scarcity that will leave others wanting more. Tips number 1. Show interest, but not too much. The key to sparking someone's interest is to show genuine curiosity about them. Ask open-ended questions, listen actively, and find common ground. However, be careful not to overdo it. You want to leave them wanting more, not feeling suffocated by your attention. For example, you could say something like, "I noticed you're reading book article. I've been meaning to check that out. What do you think of it?" Tip number 2. Build intrigue. Intrigue is the secret sauce that makes people curious about you. It's about being mysterious, yet approachable. Share your passions, use humor, and be authentic. Remember, the goal is to create an aura of mystery that draws people in. For instance, you could say, "I'm really into hobby right now. Maybe I'll show you sometime." This creates a sense of anticipation and curiosity, making the other person want to learn more about you. Tip number 3. Create a sense of scarcity. Scarcity is a powerful tool that can make people want you more. It's about creating a sense of urgency and exclusivity. Don't be too available, show you have a life and be busy. This will make the other person feel like they need to work to get your attention. For example, you could say, "I'd love to grab coffee, but I've got a lot on my plate right now. Maybe next week." This creates a sense of anticipation and makes the other person want to wait for you. Tip number 4. Make them work for it. The final tip is to make the other person work for your attention. Set challenges, be playful, and reward effort. This will create a sense of accomplishment and make the other person feel like they've earned your attention. For instance, you could say, "If you can guess my favorite books or movie, I'll give you my number." This creates a fun and playful challenge that makes the other person want to engage with you. By incorporating these 4 tips into your daily interactions, you'll be well on your way to making someone chase you. Remember to stay confident, and have fun with the process. Follow us for more psychological helpful tips.